One Dunce Jamal. 39. Jamal lifestyle chat. Let's log on. Listen, like, subscribe, post every single day. Every single day you heard. Every single day. Cause I try to get to rich lifestyle like one Jamal. Believe so. Let's log on to Jamal.
Happens Records.
Mm.
Yo,
Stop.
Poppins.
Happiness. West.
Pussy them a top man, richer than rich. Rolex pa me wrist on a gal in a bitch. Kappa them a hype and them no own shit. Jail leap on the whip, 20 grand for the chip. Y'all sit on the dick, by your toe you fit tip. Cause you bore up your lip, you know worry no sick. Have a Glock with me chip, me go roll up a split. Me go load up a clip, me go load up a rich lifestyle. When you see the Dunce outside, if you know some me dark, if you know a man wild. Elastic punk Kyle from me, a juvenile, call me the God's child.
Child.
And me never stop bank, and me been a pray money every day and night.
Night.
Tell me if me wrong when you listen my song. As morning light, the money me pre ready fi sell be a like, and me get it for free. Have a scholar come fly, cause she ready fi plead. She didn't even know why she a send me receipt. And me run a just fly, me go pick up a jeep. Me dog you fi know style, that a million a week. Me lad the remote dial, that a make me no sleep. Me would make it this far if me never believe. Dunce.
Believe. Done.
Supersonic star, me travel like a rocket. If I'm money at the topic, then I want to top it. Me travel with the matic and me never lack it. Psychopathic, tell me lyrics, them telepathic. Every chapper know the tactics and behind the graphics. Man attack, some man a laugh, but I bricks with traffic. Dead face in I shots in my 4 pocket. It can't hold wallet, cause I rich lifestyle. When I see the Dunce outside, if you
Bang
know can't hold wallet,
Get you
cause
bang
I
off.
rich lifestyle.
Get
When
you
I see the
bang off.
Dunce outside, if you know a man dark, if you know a man wild. Elastic punk call from me, a juvenile call me the God's child. And me never stop bank, and me been a pre-money every day and night. Tell me if me wrong when you listen my song, cause me not too bright, that the money me love. Pussy and me issue that I sell in a club. I hell me woulda go if me fi fell in a love. Me bleach pan the skull and not a gel me no rub. Whole day in a the chopper, now I evening I come. Get the henny and the weed, cause me believe in a drugs. Girl I say she would leave, cause we have a plug. Me say yes indeed, cause we fully done. And me say
Yes,
rest in
indeed.
peace, poverty fi
Like
go
the West
down. In I
Indeed.
best Louis V's, fi got up on the ground. And me say excuse me, the girl that wants to the done. It's not a SUV. Check the grill on the front, me not fi use no key.
Is
I'm a
that a
foot pull it chunk.
is that a SUV? Get the grip on the front. Man, if you use no key, I'm a foot pull it trunk, bro. Bro. Nah, yo.
If you go
Hmm.
down in I best Louis V's, fi got up on the ground. And me say excuse me, the girl that wants to the done. It's not a SUV. Check the grill on the front, me not fi use no key. I'm a foot pull it chunk, girl in a Vicky 2 piece. And I make it a bunk, she said the money too sweet. So she swallow me cum, she know say I'm me routine. For me carry me gun, cause I rich lifestyle. When I see the Dunce outside, if you know a man dark, if you know a man wild. Elastic punk call from me, a juvenile call me the God's child. And me never stop bank, and me been a pre-money every day and night. Tell me if me wrong when you listen my song, cause me not too bright. A 399 code number, you see what I say? And I ball and door boss. Yo, Poppins. Uptown. You know you think
Uptown.
already. When I have some 40 words, got 39 good. Girls are drugs, take your money below us. A 399 code, Dunce.
Grammarly helps me get the
Right.
best grades
One
possible
Jamal
while
with another
depleting the
song, bro.
least amount of hours of
Yo, I'm gonna spend my dear dog. Yeah, dog. What's man say, yo, Jamal, boy. He, Jamal sound that in dog. Jamal sound that, but like, I love to see Jamal switch up a soul, bro, cause like, everything he every time I see him time, and I'm saying that Jamal sound that's real, man. But like, you know, he might have a couple bars a night, so you get what I'm saying, but like, yeah, you know what I'm saying? We love to see Jamal on a different kind of beat, but done, you know what I'm saying? So, believe do a chat, you know what I'm saying? That's a Jamal though. Big up Jamal though, and them thing there, you know what I'm saying?